Hello everyone, and very good evening. So just wait for 2 more minutes, so people will join. Yeah, so a couple of people will join on the LinkedIn and Twitter as well, and YouTube. Yeah, let's get started. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Innovation Tech Community to the another episode of Azure AI. Today we can discuss more about these latest features that will be enabled in the Azure OpenAI Studio. So it is none other than Azure Assistant API. So we already having this chat playground, have chat API and completion API, and one more thing the Microsoft company will introduce. That one is Assistant API. This assistant API will play a key role in the different advancements, and also by using this assistant API, so we uh, deploy some other different. Uh, I mean, so wherever you need to deploy your assistant API in our chatbots, in our applications, in mobile applications and the apps, websites, anytime, anywhere you can use this particular assistant APIs. So I would like to share my screen and tell you honestly about this assistant API and most of the thing we can discuss about in the demo session. Okay, so I didn't try any demo, but I would like to show you to demonstrate about this assistant API and everything. Okay, I would like to share my screen. Give me a couple of seconds. I hope today is a very interesting match against Lucknow and Punjab. So instead of that, we need. I'm already scheduled this one. You can learn about something about assistant API now. So okay, just enable this. Please let me know once my screen is visible to you. Or and meanwhile, you can share your insights about you have any queries related to the assistant API. And, please ping me in the chat. I would like to resolve your queries as well. Okay, and I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Yeah. And yeah, so we have sorry, I think this is the thing. So the Azure OpenAI services announces Assistant API, the new models for fine tuning and text to speech and more. Yeah, so we have the different assistant APIs like the different APIs, but Microsoft OpenAI announces this assistant API and the new models for the fine tuning models and text to speech, and we have lots of features that will be available because of this assistant API. Okay, and we have yeah, so we have the developers across the world. So we have to whatever the solutions we need about this chatbot applications, and we need specialized. So we need to integrate our application into the different applications like app and websites and. Wherever you need to go ahead and you need to utilize this assistant API. So especially it is used for the some other the mathematical and trigonometrical applications and some other like so if you have that data you need to, for example, you need to modify your data into like so within that there is a one code entrepreneur, and so we have to enable that some content in this assistant API. So we need to edit modify some features in this application. So once you need to enable this application, you need to go ahead and you need to utilize all those services. And so within, right, so whenever you need to ask several questions to this Azure OpenAI, and the chat GPT, you can say chat GPT LLM model. So you can ask several questions to that, several prompts to that chat GPT model, they will give you the only limited I mean limited access, like limited data only, the limited responses only. They didn't give any like for example, let's say how can I say that we didn't get any like diagrammatical responses or 3D data, and so we get, so within this I would like to show you. So instead of showing anything, I would like to show you how can we get this all the data, and so because of this responses, we need to move forward to the Azure Assistant API. We need to integrate these applications and everything. So I would like to show you. So what are the features that will be? I would like to show you one demo. So that is a Microsoft announced one demo. Okay, I would like to share that one. Okay.
Introducing Assistance API, a new feature in Azure OpenAI Service. Discover the future of building intelligent, dynamic GPT-powered AI assistants within your applications. Leverage the latest GPT models, define custom instructions to tune the model's behavior, and leverage tools and knowledge to respond to user queries. Incorporate external data like product specs and sales data in multiple file formats using knowledge retrieval. Code Interpreter writes and executes code on the fly and performs advanced data analysis in a sandboxed environment. Function calling connects your assistant with external APIs and lets the model smartly decide when to use those functions based on the prompt's context. You can even store and access conversation history with threads to preserve context, even through lengthy interactions. Build the next-gen AI app for your organization and bring cutting-edge capabilities to life faster with Assistance API. Visit aka.ms/AO AI service to learn more and apply for access to the Azure OpenAI service.
Yeah. So this is the basic introduction about this. Assistant API. If you need more information, you just to go ahead and techcommunity.microsoft.com. So the whole information that we enable here. So for example, the assistant API, how it will work, I would like to tell you. So we have the assistant secret. So we have some files, different files. For example, let's different files in the different text form. I mean, different extensions like Excel format and PDF format and CSV format. So PBXI format. So we have the data in the different formats. So what we need to do is, so we need to upload the whatever the data we have. So we need to upload the data into our assistant API model. So we just enable the code entrepreneur and function handling. So once we enable that one, we need to ask the several questions or several prompts to the assistant API model. So it will give you the responses in the they will give you the diagrams. So I don't know exactly how can we say that we get the data in the form of pictorial representation. So the responses will be in the pictorial representation. So once the pictorial representation is available, so this type of pictorial representation is not available in the before the before how can we say before, is there no other assistant API, so that doesn't provide uh, any pictorial representations like this by using this assistant APIs. So we have some functionalities like a code entrepreneur. So the code entrepreneur is also tool to write and run Python code in the sandbox environment. Use include the solving challenges code math problem interactually. Yeah, so one of the advantages of this code entrepreneur. And so we have some function calling opportunity, and so you can describe the functions of your app and external API, assistant API having the model integrity. Decide when you invoke those functions, incorporate the functions responses. Yes, of course, you need to describe your for. So what are the things that you want to that you are expecting from this assistant API? You need to ask do the questions to that model. Okay, and these are some. And one more thing is that we have some fine tuning models. So what are the fine tuning models? So we have some the new capabilities and new model support and lower prices and everything. And yeah, and before that, so we have some the fine tuning support from the Azure OpenAI 3.5 Turbo. And one more thing we can I would like to mention here is we have GPT-4 version is also available in this model. So in the GPT-4 version also we need to go ahead and we need to Yeah, we need to use these API models in your application as well. So I would like to show you so what are the functionalities that is available. And yeah, so it is a GPT-4 Turbo preview is also available, and GPT 3.5 Turbo model is also available in this particular model. And so we have the text to speech model that is also available. And also these are the basic article that is written by the Microsoft tech community. So if you want no more information, I would like to show you in the upcoming episodes of this innovation tech community as well. And now we can move to, I would like to stop this one, and I would like to share my uh, yeah, okay. So now we can go for the demo. So what can I do is I just yeah, so just type portal.azure.com. So once you type the portal.azure.com, so you need to utilize your the credentials of is Azure OpenAI or Azure account. So once you are enabled, once you enter all the information of your Azure account, so it will redirect to the some assist. To redirect to the Azure workspace. Okay. So once you are into this Azure workspace, you need to tap onto this Azure OpenAI. So we need to create one Azure OpenAI source for this assistant API. So I'm already created one assistant API account, and I would like to show you how to create one assistant API account. So I just tap onto the assist create button. So, and one thing I would like to mention here, and so this assistant API will work for the limited regions only. So that is the East ES2, and Sweden Central, and Australia East and all. So what can I do is I just tap onto the resource group as a demo. So already having the demo as a resource group, and so region is I need to select to Australia East. So because the region I selected the Australia region because this assistant APIs and all is work for the this particular region only. So I need to give some unique name assistant API 44781, and the pricing tier I need to give here is a standard SO. Once I need to give this data, and I just tap onto the next, and then I can go for tap onto next and next and tags, and what are the details I have given by the Microsoft Azure OpenAI, I just given make it as a default one. So once the validation is completed, now you can go and tap onto create button. Okay. So once you tap onto the create button, it will redirect to the deployment. So once the deployment is completed, I just tap on here. There is a notification button. So it's it is redirect to the deployment mode. So around it will took 2 to 3 minutes to the complete this process. So once the process is completed, you need to go and you need to create one model in assisted model in Azure OpenAI. Okay, I'm already created one model. So instead of going that model, I need to create here. I need to show you how these models are. Okay, yeah. So let's see. So this resource is deployment is completed. Now I just tap onto the go to resource. Once I tap onto the go to resource, it will redirect to the. I just once again I need to tap onto the go to Azure OpenAI Studio. Okay, so I just tap onto the go to the Azure resource group. It will redirect to the Azure OpenAI Playground, OpenAI Studio Playground. So in the OpenAI Playground Studio, so we have the different features like so we have the chat completion. Azure OpenAI you already know, right? There is no deployments is noted. So we have the chat playground, we have the completion playground, we have the daily playground, and we have the assistant playground. So what I need to do is I just tap on to create a new deployment. So I just select the model. So here we have the different models. See, so GPT 3.5 turbo model and GPT 3.5 turbo 16K. and GPT-4 version and GPT-4 32K version is there. And now I just tap onto the GPT-4. Now I just tap onto GPT-4 and model is I just make it as auto updated one, and I just tap onto deployment name as a innovation tech 234. Okay, I just given one. I will just given one name, so it will automatically give some. Yeah, once you given your credentials to the, I mean, once you created any deployment in Assistant Playground, and you need to go ahead and you need to utilize your Assistant API services. Okay, so this it is in the previous state only. It is not publicly available now. Just so what I need to do is I need to set up the assistant name, and I just go Andhra population population. Okay, and instructions. I just given some instructions. Please create an bar graph for my data. Okay, so I just tap on innovation tech community, and what I do need to do is I just enable the code entrepreneur. So once you enable the code entrepreneur, you need to get some data, and I need to update some files. Okay, what I need to do is I need to browse some files. So I have some the default data. So CSV format of data. So once I selected the data, I need to upload the file. So what are the data I selected that was related to the 2011 census? I mean, population data. I don't know exactly whether it will give response or not. So once I enable, I just recheck once again. Once I save the data, okay, I just save this data. Okay, so assistant ID it will give. Now, I, yeah, I just enable everything. I given one data and everything. Okay, I just given some data. I just give. So I am already given some data. So that is my own data. That is in the CSV format. Now I can give some commands like I just give a hi. Let's wait and see it will give the response or not. It's generating the response. So it is giving some code entrepreneur. In the file, there is error message might be incoming. The number of in the line and it will provide the snippet of the data clarity. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to tap on to. I just given one more command. Please create bar graph by using file. So I just given one data. Let's wait and see. So what I need, I just given some commands, so it will give response or not. The load data and upload path and the assistant API data read. Okay. Uh, I'm sorry, while reading the prompt of CSV data, it is likely because the data is not properly formatted CSV. Okay. Okay. So what I need to do is, so it is not properly formatted. So I just go to that particular data, and I just open this. Yeah, sorry, I just go to that one. I didn't properly formatted that particular data, so I just go to this one, and yeah, I just give them some. Okay. Okay, now I need again. I need to go. I need to update the data. So what I do need to do is I need to delete this file, and again need to update this file. Okay, and yeah, just updated the formatted the data. So once I given the data, I just save this one. Okay. So again the same prompt I just given here. Let's wait and let see what happened. Okay, okay. So okay, so it is not given any data. So so because my data is not formatted, so instead of that one, I just given data manually. So Andhra population 30 million. Sorry, sorry. The population 30, 30 million data. Karnataka. Okay. Having same data just given, and Tamil Nadu I just given like 45, and Kerala I just given as 35 600, and for the Maharashtra I just given as a 56 something. I just given. So what I need to do is by using data, so please create a bar graph. So I just given one data. Yeah. So it is already given. I think uh, I hope is everyone is watched this one. So here is the bar graph showing Andhra Pradesh having 30 million. Please need any further visualization. Yeah. See. So is the uh, so and also suggest given for the some other data. Andhra Pradesh having the 30 million data, Karnataka having the 30 million data, Tamil Nadu having the 45 million data. So by using this data, so yeah, we need to create some the by using this code entrepreneur, we need to create some the bar graphs, pie charts, and different charts we need to create. And what I do is so I just given some data for the bar graph creating. Yeah, let's see. Wait and see. And yeah, here I can see in the x-axis is the Andhra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Maharashtra. And here in the population wise, we saw the different. So the population state of India, populations. So they are creating some different. Uh, so they are given some colorful bar graph as well. And now what can I do is I need to ask, so please create one pie chart for the above data. So I need to ask whether it is creating the data or not. If it will create, it will give you the responses based on the our data. So yeah, so it will take some time. So it will try to create some responses according to our input data. Okay, probably it will generally it will create in the different formats of data in formats of the pictorial representation, and so likewise it will create so this bar graph. I just asked for this bar graph for the population and state wise, and you can ask to several format of data. You just ask by using this assistant API model, and I don't know so how to expand this one. So yeah, so this is the one, and I need to ask for the pie chart as well. Yeah, you're able to see my data, right? Yeah, you just tap onto this one, and this is the Andhra Pradesh data I have in the out of the 100%. So Andhra Pradesh I mean percentage 28%, and Maharashtra having the 5.4%, and Kerala having the 33.7%, and same thing for the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu having the 4.3% of the data. It will be occupied in this pie chart. So likewise, we need to create some the different formats of data, and so I need to ask some other question like please create one donut graph chart. So donut graph for chart. I need to ask the question. So whether it creates or not, we can see. So this is the data. So I think I don't know exactly. Uh, so I just yeah. So now you can see this one. Yeah, see Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala, and this is the pie chart. And before that, this one is the bar graph. Okay, I need to ask the same question for the different questions. So different response, different prompt is donut graph. I just asked the donut graph. See, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. So this is the donut graph that it is created by this assistant API model. If you need any if you need to change any customizes for this particular one, you need to ask different ones. So I need to ask customize that. Mm, please use the different colors for different states. Okay, okay, sorry. I just given some input data. I think the spelling mistake. So whether it will understand or not, let's wait and see. So it is creating. It is the code interpreting I defines it's a gold, yellow, green, light color, and light blue scale, purple, and it will identify some data. So yeah, see how it looks like. It is very beautiful, right? So the Kerala is in the sky blue. It was in the Maharashtra is in the light purple, so yellow in the Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka in the green, Tamil Nadu in some sandwich color. So it is creating some different formats of data. You need to customize your particular data, whatever the data you are getting from the assistant API playground and all. And I would like to show you. So this is all about assistant API. So today's session, I would like to tell you how to we can go for a small demo in the DALI 3. So DALI 3 is one of the model which is available. Yeah, you know, right? DALI 3 is, I think it is publicly previewed by everyone, and you need to ask. You know, already everyone is know about the Swara models and so DALI is the new model. So I need to ask the several questions. I need to give. I need to expecting one prompt from the audience. I didn't get any. I didn't get any responses from the audience, and yeah. One second. Yeah. So I need to give some prompt to this DALI 3 model, and I'll give like dog is playing football. Okay, so I just given one prompt. So what are the images that will be created with this DALI playground? that is not available in any browser. So that is created by this Azure AI DALI model only. So whatever the image that you are creating, that whole image belongs to you only. See, I just given football. Sometimes it will give some the different answers. The DALI thinks it is a football. Okay, so but it's a different game. I just give as the parrot is playing music. I just given some data, input to prompt data, and so it will create one image or not. Wait and see. Probably it will take some time, so based on our broadband connection and all. See, it looks like I mean the images looks like the parrot is playing music and all. So it's one musical instrument it is using, and the same thing I using play cricket and okay. So we need to customize our whatever the models we need to customize our data as per this one. See, the images looks like the parrot is playing cricket. So I just given one prompt also by using this one, and also I just given one more thing. Um, please, okay, 1 second. I need to go for my Teams account. I have the Teams. In that, I have one prompt. So give me a second. I have some prompt. I need to create that one. Based on that, I need to create one particular image. Okay, so give me 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. I need to create one model. Okay, okay. So now I have the data. I just given one prompt. See what happened. I just given one input data. So create a 3D fine tuning animated character by setting the position of Instagram. Wow, it was really amazing. So I need to download this one. I need to use this one. Okay. So whatever the model that you are using, that is totally belongs to you only. So I just asked a question like prompt. I mean prompt like the 3D image featuring animated character relaxing sitting position at the top of the Instagram logo. Character should be designed casually modern attire like a denim jacket and sneakers. The backdrop of the image should be display the social media profile page with the username Prathap Reddy. As we can see the Prathap Reddy. And profile picture resembles 3D character. Ensure the text is accurate and not misspelled here. So I just given that like so I'm sitting at the top of the Instagram logo and Facebook logo, and the back side I need my profile page and it will create this much of images by using this DALI model. So this is all about this DALI program. You can go for completions and chat playground and everything. So that's all for this today uh, assistant API in DALI. So if you have any queries related to the today's session, please feel free to reach out me and please ping me and please drop your queries. If you this session is very interesting, please let me know. And so I didn't get any confirmations from the user, and I need some data, input data. I need to learn from you. And so I'm telling. Sorry, I need to introduce myself. So I'm Pratap Reddy. I'm working as a data engineer in the Udemy. So I'm a Microsoft most valuable professional in the category of artificial intelligence. So I'm the youngest person getting this award in this Azure artificial intelligence category. Please drop your queries related to anything related to today's session and what you want. And one more thing is that I'm creating the sorry. So we are conducting one global summer boot camp that will be held on May 6th, May 4th probably, on Saturday and weekends. So, so we have the speakers from the global. If we need to, they need to talk about all the AI concepts, Azure OpenAI, and all the AI concepts in the Microsoft, and how to integrate these AI concepts in the different applications like Power Apps, the Power BI, and Power Platform, and so we have some teams, integrated teams. Everything we need to talk about this AI in this. Uh, that season will become and yep, not April. So we close the CFS by this uh, after 2 days, and so we have already. Most of the speakers submitted their sessions, and we would like to finalize the speakers, and we would like to know uh, once we confirm the sessions and everything. So it will be happening on the 30. Sorry, 4th of May. So yeah, that's all for today. If you have any queries, I saw the few people join on the LinkedIn. I didn't get any response. Yeah. Okay. So before I'm going to the throne, please drop your queries, and I would like to. So whenever you so watch these videos and everything, please drop your queries, and probably I'm very much active on the social media. So please ping me, then definitely I will give you the better responses from my end. This is the new feature, so I think I'm not satisfied you guys because this is a new feature, so I need to, so some of the features are in the preview version only, so that's why I'm not given some proper satisfaction by using this demo model. But I think so whenever if you need to customize your assistant API model or a daily model, you need to utilize this Azure OpenAI and everything. It is a best playground. So you need to it is a best platform that you need to play around all the services in Azure. And that's all from my end, and I just signing off from my end, and thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much for attending. Okay. um, yeah, so 150 plus members are watching throughout this video, and we have the streaming in the Facebook, Instagram, and the LinkedIn, and YouTube as well. Okay. So we have the Azure show that will be having a held every Saturday and Sunday in the global. So you need to talk to this. And thank you. Bye.